Hi children. Good morning. Okay, now we are going to do an activity rhyming words. Shall we start? Hi.
Hi ma'am,
Okay, introduce yourself.
I am Dhamadi. I am studying in UKG D section.
Okay, very good. Okay, tell me what is rhyming word?
The word ending with same sound is called rhyming word.
Okay, very good. Hi.
Hi ma'am,
Okay, introduce yourself.
I am Thais. I am studying in UKG D section.
Okay.
Ban, nan, gun,
Okay, next.
run,
Next.
sun,
Okay, next.
fun,
Okay, super.
cat,
Okay, next.
bat,
Okay.
bee,
Okay.
rat,
Okay.
hat,
Okay.
mat,
Okay.
ball,
Okay. Okay.
mal, fall, ball,
Okay.
tall, tall,
Okay.
bed,
Okay.
bed,
Okay.
bed,
Okay.
bed,
Super.
fix,
Okay.
mix,
Okay.
save.
Okay. Do you like this activity?
Yeah.
Bye.